If you want to achieve, you will make mind first. If you don't set any goal in your life, you can't achieve anything. First of all, you will make your mind to achieve your goal. First of all, you will have to set a goal. If you don't set a goal, so even you don't know about yourself where you are going. First of all, set a goal in front of you. Where do you want to go? First of all, set a goal. After that, you will have to make a great effort to achieve your goal. Our biggest problem is that we don't set any goal in our life. We go and go. We don't know where we are going. If you don't know where you are going, so how is it possible that what will you do and what will you catch, what will you carry, what will you learn? If you don't know where you are going, your life will be meaningless if you don't know about your goal. If you want to be meaningful life, you will have to set a goal, then go effort. Inshallah, the destiny will definitely bring you fit. You can achieve, you can improve, you can have, but when you will do, when you want. If you don't want, the problem is that we don't want. I already informed you about this. If you want but you don't put any effort, so your want will definitely be meaningless. You'll have to make your want powerful and strong and meaningful. But how will you do? You will have to make effort. You will have to make power. You will have to make great thoughts, create a thought, and see your goal, and look at your goal, and go ahead and catch your goal. Each and everything in front of you, but it's up to you. What will you do? There is none of thee, but you are. You are the good. You will have to do. If you will do, if you can do, you will do. If you want to do, you will do. But if you want to do, you will do. So make your life meaningful. We have an object to live our lives. We make our personality as an example for others. Make yourself like a watch. When you will go outside, the people will say that this is the time. Without watching the time, they will think that I look Tuba, Amna, it's Jaffa, and the time will be definitely this. Because I never see before, I had never seen in this time this girl. She come exactly at 12 o'clock here. So I look now, she is here, it means it's at 12 o'clock. So make yourself like a watch for others. You have to make a keen aspirations and desires and strong your personality for others. You can do. You will have a great potential in yourself. You have a great energy in yourself. So don't waste your energy. Identify yourself. Just identify yourself. Then no one can beat you. There is no any power who will beat you. That's the problem, is that we don't know about ourselves, who we are and where we are going. The day when you will know about yourself, you will think that you are the distinct in the world. The qualities which you have, don't others. And don't compare yourself to others. Don't look yourself, especially comparatively others. No. The abilities which you have, don't others, and the others don't, the abilities you have, don't you. Don't you have. So don't look and don't compare. This is a distribution of the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is the division which Allah has put it. But to put effort is in our hand. There is no any, some teachers or some person says that this is a dull boy, dull student, dull girl. No, there is no any dull mind here. Everything is perfect. But our effort can change. Our efforts can change the world, can change the personality, can change the mind and thoughts. A person, a student who learns ISA within 15 minutes, is it possible? Yes, possible. A person who learns essay within an hour. A person who learns essay within 2 hours, within 3 hours. But I can say there is a much difference. A person, a student who learns essay within 15 minutes. Some students learn within 30 minutes. Some students learn within 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours. This means the person who is going to learn the essay within 1 hour, he has to improve him or herself. But how? He will make it. He should put great effort in learning. The effort will continue again and again and again. One day he will succeed. He will definitely. The practice makes a man perfect. When he or she will make great effort to learn the essay, one day he will learn in 10 hours. After making a practice day by day, he will improve. He will lessen. He will minimize the time duration day by day. 9 hours, 8 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours. His effort will definitely, will keep him approximately 15 or 20 minutes or 30 seconds, or 30 minutes or 1 hour. His efforts will minimize time duration. He will definitely, surely, if he continues his effort, definitely will be success. If he stops his effort, definitely, is it not possible? Yes. कब जाना है?
अभी वो भाई जाना है।
कोई आया है आप?
नहीं, कापी मैं घर से लेके आया हूँ। बस कापी पर पर्ची बनी है, डॉक्टर से दवाई लिखवानी लेके आया।
अब जल्दी आ जाए इनके आने से पहले। ठीक है। So just remember it. There is no any dull-minded student. Our efforts make dull. Our efforts and our hard work make a difference between two students. So if don't put an effort, you will definitely make immature mind. Your efforts will mature your mind. So again, I want to say that you can change the world, but if you want, definitely you want, so you will have to make effort for it. You can change and you can win the world. You can make a huge change in the world, but if you want. So if you want, so don't look other side. Just look at your destiny, your destination, your goal, and go away to get it. Okay? Hope so you will.